Wow! Last-minute exam tips for ISC Business Studies. Welcome students. Best wishes for your ISC Business Studies exam. These tips will help you revise effectively. Focus on key topics, question patterns, and strategies. I hope this video finds you well prepared and confident for your upcoming examination. As we approach the final stretch, I wanted to share some crucial last-minute tips to ensure you're fully equipped to tackle the exam. Unlock your full potential. Add these tips to your hard work and dedication, and I am confident that you will excel. I feel that every student deserves the best results. Remember, these tips are designed to help everyone, regardless of your learning pace. Take your time, review the material, and trust that with confidence, you'll achieve your goals. Take a few minutes to carefully go through these additional key points. They cover important aspects of certain topics and exam strategies that you won't want to miss. As per the syllabus Chapter 1, Human Resource Management, all chapters are important, do not take any chance. Among that again, Introduction to HRM. Focus on every characteristic and importance of HRM, for CBQ's job and manpower planning. Everything must be clear enough and have the clarity in distinguishing and identifying job specification, job description, job analysis, job enrichment, job enlargement meaning, relevance, and differences. If required, make a chart of all these with the keywords for you. Write all common points first and points of difference later for clarity without any confusion. Case study-based questions can be expected. Use diagrams wherever necessary. Also remember all those lessons under HRM are staffing functions, and remember the order of those functions. Staff recruitment. Make sure with internal and external and e-recruitment sources. Staff selection. Already discussed in Pre-Board 2 analysis. Please do recall, objective and importance means objective and importance only to write, not any other stories. Staff training. Be sure of the types and methods. Types. When and to whom, i.e. when that training is given and to whom that training is given. Methods. On the job and off the job training, what and for which jobs. If necessary, prepare a chart. Know that these types come under which method also. Staff leadership. Possibility to come picture-based questions on styles. Leadership continuum and leadership grid, based on these two CBQs, can be expected. So understand which and where to name the style as per these two. Staff leadership grid. You need to remember the grid and leadership style in continuum. Picture remember accordingly, can expect the CBQ. Staff promotion and transfer. Possibility to ask picture-based questions. Staff promotion types. Make a chart of all types in one place to avoid confusion. Staff transfer. Be sure with types. As per the syllabus we have only 4. Staff separation. Anything can be asked. Be sure with pictures and type. You must be keen on observing. For example, staff retrenchment image was given alongside of retirement explanation. So don't be confused. Coming to Chapter 2. The most important chapter, business communication. Types and methods follow the chart given in your textbook. Be sure with which type and under which method. Be sure which follows after which. Understand the order. Elements of communication. Order is important. Upon this, you can expect statement-based questions and CBQs on which type and method. Barriers to communication. Read carefully with clarity. Cause and how to overcome each barrier. Prepare chart if necessary. Methods to overcome barriers. Cause and how to overcome given in textbook, under every barrier. But you need to expand them in proper sentences while writing in the exam. Business letters. Do follow every letter, do not take a chance. This is only the one where you can ensure to secure 8 marks for sure. For every letter, based on the letter asked, content of the points to mention given to you. Do not forget to mention those points in your answer. Most of the marks for that only. The body of the letter with required content relevant to the letter covers more points at the same time. Do not ignore the entire format of the letter. Write from the top to the last line of your letter. Reports. Meaning, example, difference, direct questions. Types of report. CBQs. To identify the type and when it is prepared. If required, prepare a chart, table to avoid confusion. Chapter 3. Business size and finance. Be sure with the size of the business, various sources of finance available, And when, purpose which source is applicable, raised. Be sure with new sources of finance, factoring, venture capital, angel investors, etc. as per the syllabus. CBQs or statement-based questions can be expected. If possible, prepare a chart for your understanding. Chapter 4. Globalization and recent trends in business. All these topics have scope to score good marks with minimal reading and understanding. Globalization, don't be too casual with its benefits, opportunities, and threats. Have clarity and give a reading. Outsourcing, be sure with 3 parties. Merits and demerits of each party. Given very clearly with the examples in the textbook, do follow. Elements of e-business. Be sure with B2B, B2C. Take some examples. CBQ can be asked. Chapter 5. Business regulators and intermediaries. Be sure with the meaning and role of each regulator and intermediary. Do give a reading on the functions of regulators also. The role itself can be written under functions, objectives with little change in explanation. Read carefully, manage time wisely. Use diagrams and charts where applicable. Write the basis of the difference and provide explanations in full sentences for distinction-based questions. I hope you are all locked on this video. Please do like if helpful, comment below, subscribe for more, be one of the first 100 to comment and get a shout out. Stay tuned for exclusive content and bonus tips. May you all achieve your goals. Good luck.